Doctor, I was tested positive for COVID 10 days back, and after that I took the treatment. And for past 3 to 4 days, I am not having any symptoms. I have kept myself in isolation for 10 days, but now I wanted to know whether I can stop my isolation. When what is the ideal time that I should stop my isolation, and when I should go for the repeat testing, or like when I can meet my family members or the close one.
Well, if you were tested positive 10 days back, and since last 3 to 4 days you are having no symptoms, so you need to observe yourself for another like a week or so. That is basically we have this as per the guidelines that you should follow, that you need to maintain an isolation for 15 to 17 days. So you can continue your isolation for another week. And as far as repeat testing is concerned, so there is no recommendation which says that you have to go for a repeat testing. And once you were COVID positive, you took your medicines and you did your best by maintaining the isolation for 17 days, then there is no need for going for a repeat testing, unless and until during this span you develop any other new symptoms and there is any worsening of your prior symptoms. Then you can consult your physician, and as per the advice, go for the test he advised. And as far as this point is concerned, that whether you can meet and be with your closed ones, yes, you definitely can. After 17 days, you can meet your closed ones. You can like be your normal self like you were before you tested positive for COVID. Any other questions you have?
If suppose somehow I go for a test and my test is still coming positive, even if after the 17 days has passed since the first day of my symptom, is it something to be afraid of, or should I think myself that still there is a chance of progression of the disease, or still I can deteriorate?
Well, no. Because if you were already treated and you maintained your isolation, and there were no development of new symptoms during your isolation, and you have crossed that period of 17 days, then definitely there is no risk of deterioration or development of any new symptoms as per COVID infection is concerned. And as far as the point that you raised was that if you get tested positive again even after 17 days, you might well get the test positive. And we have in fact seen people who are getting tested positive even for months. But just let me tell you that these tests, the testing that we do, whether it is this RT-PCR testing, so sometimes it even picks up the RNA from the dead viruses which are inside, not the active ones which have already gone from that phase of causing viremia in your body. So that can result in a positive testing. So nothing like that, if you test positive, makes you be apprehensive or worry about that. You should continue your isolation, or keep taking medications, or like you are a source of infection for any of your closed ones. You should not think that.
This means I can understand it like that कि if the test is coming positive, this is just telling that I had infection. Whether the infection is still active or not, this is not being told by the test whether the test is positive or not. But this we can know only by the duration of the illness or by the presence of the symptom, but not by the positivity or negativity of the symptoms.